I got one. Yeah. Oh, get him out of there. It's not a bad one either. There he is. That's a healthy fish. There we go. Feels like a good one.
Found it. Right now,
Is that one?
Is it?
Yep. We might not be catching fish, but we're cracking some good jokes. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. It is your boy Eddie. I am out here with my boy Adam. Whoa, where is he? There he is.
What's up, guys?
I couldn't get him on the camera. We are out here at the river. We actually came out here to do one thing, ended up doing another, but that's a whole different story within itself. We are going to be doing a little bit of fishing today on the river. The water temperature is really cold, so I don't know how it's going to go. Maybe good, maybe not, but it's been a beautiful day. Sun has been shining on the water all day. The water temperature, I think, was 48.
45.9.
Woo, 45. 45.9. So it is a chilly water. But yeah, hopefully we get enough fish to make a video for you guys. If you're enjoying the river fishing videos, which I think you guys are, because the views have been going up for me, and you guys have been letting me know in the comments about the good river fishing. So hopefully we get on a big one for you today and make a good video for you guys. You guys stay tuned.
Friends go, it was simple. When the end's low, switch the tempo. When my friends go, it was simple. When the end's low, switch the tempo. I got rank, I got hope, I won't die, I'ma fight. I go down, then I strike. I go hard day and night.
Hit my good old jig. The old trusted jig. There's one. Oh, he came off. Dang it. I think he had.
Far out.
Yeah, he was way out here. Look how he left a crawl on it.
Oh, man.
Look at all kind of crazy twisted.
He almost took it with him.
I felt him hit it, and then he just shot off to the side with it. I got one. Yeah. Oh, get him out of there. It's not a bad one either. I was getting a spider web off my hand. Oh, that's a good one. Boat flips.
There you go. Let's go. That's a good one.
I casted it in between that tree.
You catch more fish when you're not paying attention.
That was crazy. At first I thought I was hung on that tree that goes across.
Yeah, me too. Well, you were. You were just on the other end of it. Looked like.
That was a crazy catch on the old reliable jig. What I did, I cast it in there and I had a spider web all on my face and my arm, so I was over here trying to get the spider web off. Guys, that is not a bad fish. I'll take that. He is ice cold. That's a healthy fish. That's a beauty. He could barely move when I put him back in. That was crazy. Well, that'll break the ice. You got him? Caught him on the old black and blue jig with a bandito bug as a trailer. And it sitting there at the bottom might have been what triggered it.
I just got a bump right now. It was just sitting there.
It might be what it is. It kind of want to just sit in there. Wow.
I ain't wanting to work real hard for it.
Want that easy meal. There you go.
You little pecker.
There's one. Little dinker. It's a fish though. I tell you what, that was my second cast in the exact same spot. I said, you know what, I'm gonna start working the same spots over just in case. Sure enough, It paid off. There we go, guys. My second fish. Not a giant, but I'm just kind of trying to figure a little something out here. Trying to get something going. That was on the old black and blue crankbait. There he is. I was passing it right by that tree underwater. And I was thinking, man, there should be a fish there. All right. Starting to put a bag together. Calm down there, buddy. You notice how these fish are really dark? Like, even the other one had like a real dark line on it. Choking it. Here we go, guys. Number 3. Ooh. There we go. Nice little fish. All right. Your turn, Adam. That's crazy. My mind was barely thinking because I saw that stump under there. Yeah. And I made a parallel cast and I was thinking, man, there should be a fish there.
You'll throw it at the same place you
Oh, that's too funny right there. Wow. Oh, man. There we go. Feels like a good one. Oh, he came off. Yeah. He wasn't too bad. He was about like my second one. He was fighting like a wet sock though. Couldn't tell if it was a fish or not at first.
put some scent on there.
Is that one?
Is it?
Yep.
Man, I'd be glad to have that
A
one.
little bit. I'm telling you, man, they're fighting so weird. I can't even tell if they're fish or not. It's like just dead weight. They must have partied too hard last night. That's a beautiful little fish.
That's a good color on it.
Yeah,
Good pattern.
real pretty. If you guys are wondering what I'm catching them on, it's this old 6 cents square bill. Kind of come to fall in love with it past couple of months. Adam said he hates it because he never catches nothing. Oh dang. Scared me. Is that a beaver? See it? Yep. See that big old, it's right in the trees right there.
Oh, yeah.
There he is. Big old tail.
Where the fish at, beaver?
There's one. Is that one? Nope. Sounds mad. Oh, you following me, bud? You get yourself stuck there.
Leave it to beaver.
Leave it to beaver. We might not be catching fish, but we're cracking some good jokes.
Hey, I've seen a beaver today. I'm happy.
Yeah. Beaver made my day. Well guys, that is gonna do it for today's video. I know it wasn't a crazy action video full of big fish and a bunch of fish, but it's the winter time, guys. We've had a lot of cold weather come through almost every day. It's been down in the 20s or colder. So it really makes it tough now. It's even tough trying to find fish anywhere right now. So yeah, we were able to get on a few with that crankbait down here at the river. We didn't really fish too long, actually. We came out here kind of late in the afternoon. It's about to get dark, but I'm happy with what I caught. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to keep it real. It's your boy Eddie, and I'm out. Peace.
Where my friends go, it was simple. When the ends low, switch the tempo. I got right, I got heart, I won't die, I'ma fight. I go down, bet I strike, I go hard day and night, yeah.